Hello friends, myself Mrs. Sarita Sunil Pachpande from Vanita Vikas Mandal Sanchalit Madhyamik Vinay Mandir Nasik Road. Today we are going to learn living world and classification of microbes. Whitaker divided organisms into 5 groups on the basis of following criteria: complexity of cell structure, complexity of organisms, mode of nutrition, lifestyle, and the last one is phylogenetic relationship. See what is the classification. Living organisms classified into prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Prokaryotes are unicellular and eukaryotes are unicellular or multicellular. Unicellular means the body functions are performed with the help of only one type of cell, and multicellular means the body functions are carried out by different types of cells performing different function. And thus kingdom Monera, kingdom Protista, kingdom Fungi, kingdom Plantae and kingdom Animalia we are going to learn today. Riddle me, riddle me, riddle me, re. Riddle me, riddle me, riddle me, re. Perhaps you can tell what this kingdom may be. Perhaps you can tell what this kingdom may be. We are unicellular, autotrophic or heterotrophic. We are unicellular, autotrophic or heterotrophic. We are prokaryotic. We are prokaryotic, that is don't have true nucleus. Don't have true nucleus. Riddle me, riddle me, riddle me, re. Riddle me, riddle me, riddle me, re. This is kingdom Monera. Riddle me, riddle me, riddle me, re. Riddle me, riddle me, riddle me, re. Perhaps you can tell what this kingdom may be. Perhaps you can tell what this kingdom may be. We are unicellular but eukaryotic. Pseudopodia or cilia or flagella, any of the organs we have for locomotion. Riddle me, riddle me, riddle me, re. Riddle me, riddle me, riddle me, re. This is kingdom Protista. Riddle me, riddle me, riddle me, re. Riddle me, riddle me, riddle me, re. Perhaps you can tell what this kingdom may be. Perhaps you can tell what this kingdom may be. We are eukaryotic and non-green. We are eukaryotic and non-green. Cell wall is made up of tough chitin. Cell wall is made up of tough chitin. Most of all feed upon decaying matter. Decaying matter, also known as saprotrophs or saprophytic. Saprotrophs or saprophytic. Riddle me, riddle me, riddle me, re. Riddle me, riddle me, riddle me, re. Kingdom fungi. Riddle me, riddle me, riddle me, re. Perhaps you can tell what this kingdom may be. All we have cell wall made up of cellulose prepare our own food in photosynthesis, also known as autotrophs. Thus all are producers, also known as autotrophs. Riddle me, riddle me, riddle me, re. This is nothing but this is a kingdom Plantae, and everyone knows that plant prepares their own food, so they are autotrophs. Riddle me, riddle me, riddle me, re. Perhaps you can tell what this kingdom may be. We have neither cell wall nor chlorophyll. We are consumers and also known as heterotrophs. Also known as heterotrophs or heterotrophic. Riddle me, riddle me, riddle me, re. Obviously, this is a kingdom Animalia. So students, now see the classification of microbes. Microorganisms are divided into prokaryotes and eukaryotes, and from prokaryotes we are going to learn bacteria, and from eukaryotes we are going to learn protista, fungi and algae. Bacteria are unicellular, independent parasitic organisms, prokaryotic with cell wall, but distinct nucleus but cell organelles are absent and reproduced by binary fission. grow vigorously, can double their number in 20 minutes. This is the most important character of bacteria. The next one is protozoa, unicellular and eukaryotic. Great variation in cell structure, organs of locomotion and modes of nutrition. Reproduced by simple cell division. And amoeba, paramecium are free living in dirty water. And euglena is autotrophic, remember. The next one is fungi. These are found in decaying organic matter, eukaryotic, saprotrophic, as they absorb their food from decaying matter. They reproduce sexually and asexually by cell division or budding, and examples are Baker's yeast. Students, the type of reproduction, that is sexual and asexual, we have to study in the next 10th standard. And the last one, fourth one is algae. Algae are eukaryotic, unicellular and autotrophic. Photosynthesis is carried out with the help of chloroplast, and chlorella is the example of algae, and most of them are multicellular. And the last one is virus, the organisms at the age of living and non-living. They are very minute, so can be seen with the help of electron microscope only. And virus is a long molecule of DNA or RNA which is covered by a protein coating. Viruses survive only in living plant or animal cells and produce their own proteins, and so they have a capacity to create their numerous replica. Because students, virus can produce their own proteins. Some examples are given here: human poliovirus, influenza and HIV/AIDS. In cattle, picorna virus, in plants tomato wilt, and in bacteria bacteriophage. This is our end of the slide, and thus we have seen here the various types of organisms. Thank you.